Okay guys, here we are again. Good morning. We will make a video about mastering Microsoft Word personal profile formatting. Alright. First, you have to go in the Word application. Word application. Close. Click a blank document. Caps lock. Let's type our title. Our name. Shade the text. Control U to underline the word, Control B to bold, Control E to center. Okay, tatlo na yung control key na ginawa natin. Enter. Control D ulit to unbold. Umpisahan natin sa self-introduction with 3 sentences. My name is Ruben. Okay. Control Shift L.
Control Shift L.
Bulletin point.
Bulletin point.
My hobbies.
My hobby.
Basketball. My hobbies are playing
My hobbies are
basketball.
playing basketball.
Ano ba yung ito?
Ano ba nga ito?
Online games.
Online games.
Cooking. My hobbies too.
My hobbies too.
Cooking. Basketball. These are my hobbies. Basketball, cooking, ano ba? Badminton. That's my 5 hobbies. Apat na yung nagawa kong shortcut control keys. Control B to bold, Control U to underline, Control E to center the text, Control Shift L, bulletin point. Okay. Naman, mag-insert tayo ng picture. Desktop. And picture natin insert. Nice. Resize it. Itong malaki. Masyado pa rin malaki. Resize natin. Yung hindi pa. Yun. And text natin. Ganyan yung text. May line yan. Magulo ah. Bigay ito. My name is Ruben II B. Ogo. I'm from sa Panganaw, Pangasinan. I have 4 siblings and I studying in BSH University of Eastern Pangasinan. My hobbies are playing online games such as Mobile Legends, and among us siblings, I am the youngest. And brothers and sisters is already graduate. Yung I love eating spicy and sweet foods such as cake and samyang. Yan guys. Okay guys, we will perform the 10 control shortcut keys. The first one is Control B to bold the text, and Control I to italic the font. Control B to bold the font, Control I to italic the font, Control U to underline the text. Okay. Control E to center the text. control Y to undo, ay control Z to redo, control Y to undo, control Z to redo. Okay, shift plus F3, shift F3 to make the text uppercase. Okay. Okay. Control plus Alt. Control plus Alt. Control plus Alt L to bulletin point. Bulletin point and for Control plus L to left. Control plus L to left. Control plus R to right. Yan lang po. Bali, ano yan, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 control shortcut keys. That's it. Thanks. Thank you for watching.